Instagram Threads has added a new feature that allows users to run polls in their posts. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to run a poll on the Instagram Threads app. Now let's get started. To run a poll on Instagram Threads, open the Threads app and tap the new post icon in the bottom menu. Then tap the poll icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. You can then add options for people to vote on. You can have up to 4 options for people to choose from. Type in a caption or question to go along with your poll. You can also choose who is able to reply to and vote on this thread by tapping Anyone can reply and vote. You can leave it open to anyone, only profiles you follow, or only specific people that you tag in your thread. When you're ready, tap Post to share your poll to your profile. Your poll will be open for 24 hours, and while it's running, you'll see a countdown timer on your post with how much time is remaining. People will be able to vote by simply tapping the option you want to choose, and then you'll be able to see the results. That's all it takes to run a poll on Instagram Threads. For more helpful Threads tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Instagram Threads tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.